What's happening, people? It's been a little while. Yeah, I ain't been on YouTube in about a year. I haven't posted any videos. We got a lot of things to talk about. The S14's gone. Yeah, that I'll leave that for a whole nother video. We'll make a video on that just by itself. We got some good things though. We got some good things happening. Some good cars. Yeah. So to start off, we got Civic, EG hatch, turbo. Well, it was turbo until I blew it up, but that's getting rebuilt. We're just looking for a place now to sort of get the build going. Second to that, we got my daily driver, my BMW E36. This one is special because it's a 2.5 TDS. So basically it's a diesel turbo 36. Yeah, that's project number 2. I've put a lot of work into that car. We still got a lot of work to do. So there's gonna be a lot of content on that. I mean, for now, that's probably gonna be about it. Just a quick little update. I'll do a walk around of the cars, probably in this video. And yeah, we'll get into it. Take 2. You're not even gonna believe what just happened. I literally just went through this whole thing, this whole spiel on the car and all this other stuff. The damn camera was not even recording. It was actually recording in time lapse. So that might be something funny to watch back actually. But yeah, I started off by going boom, Red Bull. Because you know, me, Red Bull, everyone else out here does this monster thing. I'm on Red Bull, like that's me. That keeps me going. Anyway, right now we are inside the E36. I should have known that was going to be a big mistake from, yeah, anyway. What a mess. It's getting dark, so I'm going to have to do this one quite quickly actually. We're in the 36, the drift car. How this car come about, I bought it off a mate. It's a weird story. Anyway, he had the car. He also had an S14 with an S15 front end. Crazy looking thing, all blacked out, looked crazy. So I knew of him from his S14. Never really done anything to the car. I saw the potential in it. I had a Beamer from before. I should have never, ever got rid of that Beamer. I should have never, and I've done a straight swap as well. Absolute idiot. Anyway, I'm jumping all over the place, my bad. Let me compose myself. It's an emotional situation. Yeah, I've had this for about 7 months. The condition that the car was in when I got it was, to be fair, it was actually terrible. But I got it for a decent price anyway. And being that these cars you don't really find that much, it's difficult to come by a E36 2.5 diesel turbo long name. Yeah. So everything from the steering wheel to installing the hydro to the bodywork to the M Sport trim, even little things like sun strips and just general cleaning up of the car, like I did everything myself. Anyway, this car is my new project skid car. The plan with this is, I mean, I'm not going to turn it into a track build. I want it to be a comfortable car that I take out every now and again and just have some fun. You know, a little bit of street-o, you know how I get down. It's not the replacement for the S14. The replacement for the S14 in a weird way has ended up being the Civic. That's going to be for a whole nother video. Bodywork, I'll insert some pictures tomorrow when I do the comparison of what the arches and stuff look like now compared to what it was. Anyway, this is me just getting back in the game, showing you lot what I'm working with now. BMW, Honda Civic will be a completely different video. I've literally just installed the hydro like 2 days ago. I need to trim it up a little bit more and get it to all fit, put the armrest and like a couple other bits back together, put all the bolts back in. I've never fitted a hydro in my life. I've never made any brake lines in my life. Surprisingly, there's no leaks. I'll literally just make a quick overview of what I'm doing. Probably just a vlog style. Wow, don't know what happened there, almost died. Yeah, vlog style video of me bleeding the brakes and stuff. Boom, but I'll catch you lot tomorrow.
Yo, what's up here, people? It's a new day, new going. Plan today, walk around 36, give you a little quick sneak preview. But yeah, let's open her up. Let's take a look inside. And then we'll have a look on the outside. I'm gonna try and get some half decent shots, some sort of like cinematic, I don't know. Yeah, we'll see what we can do. So, boom, this is the inside. You know, OMP steering wheel, black with the red stitching. It is legit, it's not fake, none of that. Little Pioneer head unit. You know, gotta have some tunes while you're skidding. Hydro. I am gonna get a short shifter for it, so I'll make a video on that at some point. The cream-ish, kind of white, bluish leather interior. It is a bit dirty in here. I'll get around to cleaning it at some point. That's the inside of the car. Now it's the fun bit. Quick walk around on the outside, the inside. What else? Yeah, that's about it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. You know how we get down. Next video should be up in a couple of days. That's gonna be about the Civic, maybe, or it might still be about the 36. Either way, just stay locked in, stay locked on, hit that subscribe button. And boom, yeah, I'll see you again.